Welcome to Lecture L3 of Computer Programming Fundamentals, Establishing the Computer Programming Development Environment. The objective of this lecture is to show you how to establish the proper computer programming development environment on your computer. Specifically, a computer programming development environment to demonstrate the computer programming language procedural-oriented paradigm. For this case, the C computer programming language will be used to demonstrate computer programming fundamentals. Given Lecture 2, Computer Programming Languages, it is fitting that we use the C computer programming language to demonstrate computer programming fundamentals. As today's computer programming languages owe their heritage to C, especially the syntactical rules underlying the computer program source code. Getting back to the computer programming development environment, this is a proven computer programming development environment. In fact, I have used it professionally with a number of computer programming languages, including C. It is easily transferred to academia because it is simple, straightforward, and does not require any costly computer programming development software. In fact, there is no extra cost. Everything is free. The computer programming development environment that will allow you to complete 4 principal steps. 4 principal steps required to produce a working computer program application solution. The first step is to develop, edit, and maintain your computer program source code. The second step is to compile or convert your computer program source code to your computer program object code. The third step is to link, edit, or combine your computer program object code with the library computer object code. The library computer object code provided by the free computer programming development software. This step is often referred to as the build step. The fourth step is to execute the combined object code providing the computer program application solution. To accomplish these 4 principal steps will require 3 system software computer programs. First, a text editor, second, a C compiler, third, a command processor. The first and the third system software computer programs are already available on your computer. The second I will show you how to download and install on your computer. So let's get started. A major requirement for a viable computer programming development environment is that of multiple concurrent sessions. Multiple concurrent sessions to support computer program source code development, compilation and build, and computer program execution. Multiple concurrent sessions so you can rapidly switch from each step in the computer programming development process, particularly as you make changes to your computer program source code. For computer program source development, I recommend Notepad. Notepad is easy to use. As such, for novices, I would strongly recommend Notepad. For non-novices, you should use a text editor at which you are most comfortable, as text editors process computer source code similarly. So it comes down to an ease of use issue. For compiling and building the computer program object code, I recommend the Miracle C Workbench. There are a number of free C compilers, but the Miracle C Workbench has been around for a number of years. As such, is proven. More importantly, it is more than just a compiler providing complete computer workbench capability. It is easy to use, simple to download, and simple to install. Plus, the Miracle C Workbench has kept up with the evolution of the Windows operating system. For execution of the resulting computer program executable, I recommend the command processor. The resulting computer program application solution is a standalone executable. For example, your program name with a .exe extension. I will need to show you some command processor commands to manage the execution process, but this will provide a better understanding of how your computer program standalone executable interacts with your computer and operating system. Knowledge of the command processor will also allow you to better manage your computer, including your computer programming development environment, especially when you have all your computer programming development tools operating concurrently in consort. Rounding out the establishment of a viable computer programming development environment is the creation of a working directory to house all your computer program code. I strongly recommend that your working directory is created at just one level below your root directory. For example, C:\\/ your working directory name. I like to name my directories as short acronyms. For example, for this course, my directory is named CPF, short for Computer Programming Fundamentals. Following these simple tips regarding the establishment of your working directory will not only save time, but will limit any frustration in managing your computer program code. Thus, your working directory will become a single repository for your computer program code. Computer program code including source, object, and executable code. Moreover, your working directory should also include batch procedures for managing your computer program code. Batch procedures including command processor commands to clean up, back up, and restore your computer program code. I will follow in subsequent lectures with a brief command processor tutorial. A command processor tutorial which will provide the essentials underlying these batch procedures. Batch procedures critical for managing your working directory.